Are you struggling to find the active-inactive option for customers in Zoho Books? Learn exactly where to click in under 2 minutes. First, I'll show you how to navigate to the customer list. Then we'll mark a customer as inactive and back to active. Start by opening Zoho Books in your browser. Then, go ahead and click on the Sales module from the left sidebar. Now, click on Customers to see your customer list. Find the customer you want to update and click on their name to select them. Next, click on the More button to see additional options. Choose Mark as Inactive from the dropdown. Click Mark as Active to reactivate them. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.